Wow. I want to document this. This is the first time it snowed in Rome in like 2 years or something. It's, I'm like a little kid again, okay? This is beautiful. Look at this. It's just like, only if it was Christmas, but it's February. So, anyways, let's get inside because it's pretty cold. Alright, so, the Mavic Mini. What we've all been waiting for. A correct, perfect review is what we're not going to get. This is just from my perspective, and I'm just stating the facts, okay? So if you don't like it, you can click that like button, and you can subscribe to this channel. With that being said, let's get on to the... Oh, wait, one more thing. If it is your first time coming to the channel, please like the video, subscribe, share it to all your buddies, do all that crap. The Mavic Mini. So, the Mavic Mini, to me, is a perfect little drone. It's right under 250 grams, which means you do not have to get certified to be able to fly for fun. I hope you guys can't hear that, bro. They're really just going at it out. Shut up. If you, let's say if it was a 251 or 250 gram drone, you would have to get certified to fly it for fun. I think Peter McKinnon, I don't know how many grams his drone was, but he had a $5,000 fine for flying a drone. And that is crazy, and I do not want to fine like that, okay? So I'll stick with my 249 gram drone until I get the certification, because I am going to get certified in order to start my business. Okay, so back to the Mavic Mini. The flight time is, I mean, they say it's 30 minutes, but it's really like 23, 24. Because I think DJI, they took it to a private facility, they had windless conditions, and they had like a constant rate of like 14 kilometers an hour. I think if you're flying, you know, just getting videos, I think it'll last you about 23-ish minutes. It was snowing like an hour ago, and now it's all rain and mush. So that's kind of how Georgia is. The Mavic Mini has a wonderful, smooth, almost perfect 3-axle gimbal. It has a 12 megapixel camera with 2.7K video resolution, which is extremely good. The, I think, $2,000 drone like Mavic Pro 2 or something, like there's a $2,000 drone out there that has 4K video resolution, which is double the amount of what the Mavic Mini has, and the Mavic Mini is around $399, and $399, $2,000. You know, it also has 3 flight modes: Sport, Position, and Cinematic. Cinematic is the one I'm going to be using mainly, only because I'm doing real estate videos for commercial use, and it's going to give me the smoothest movement, okay? So if I was doing sports, obviously it would be like if I'm chasing somebody down the field, right? And they're, you know, they have a football in their hand or something, they got a soccer ball, you know, they're kicking it around or whatever. But that's the only time I would really use the sport mode. The position mode, I don't even know what it's for. But without further ado, I am going to go outside and video some landscapes, and I will put it into one video and show you guys what I have created.
have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going